Welcome to the first session of this web design seminar. So we're going to be taking some brief of what we're going to be learning. So first of all, we're going to talk about the introduction of web design, what web design is all about, web development, and everything you want to know. And also we're going to talk about understanding front end, back end, and database. What are the difference, and how are these three things area of web design connected? And I'm going to touch basis of coding also, and we'll move further to touch domain name and hosting setup, how to set up your domain name, what is the concept of a domain name, what is it used for, and how to set up your hosting, and also how to set up a local host. I'm going to show you what this is in a bit. And after that, how to design a website project. So we're going to be talking about designing a complete blogging website, a music artist website, and also how you can get resources, free images for your website, how to get free images, how to get templates, how to get a lot of free things, resources to design your website without paying any money for them. So let me just quickly show you something here now. Okay, this is my VS Code here running on a particular code. Let me just take this out. If you have a VS Code, but I just want to show you something now that the tutorial is started. This is one. Okay, let me just click on save that. Let me click on go live. This will automatically open in the browser. You can see the tag I entered here now. It's showing here on this IP address. You can see it's showing this IP address, but nobody can access this actually online. So, but this website now here, somebody can access it online. This one you can access from your phone. If you type this on your phone now, you're able to access this website, and also this one should be able to access this one also. But this now you will not be able to access it online. So what can be done to make it available online? That's what we talk about hosting. Like I said, in this particular place, in this particular, it's what we call local host. Local host is just hosting your website on your machine, on your computer. So you hosting your website on your computer. And one thing that you can host your website online from your computer, directly online, that even everybody can access it. But the problem is that if your computer goes off or you run out of data, that means your site will be offline. So we're going to show you how to be able to put your website online like this. There's a paid version, so also there's a free version, there's a paid option also. There are a lot of paid options, but there are few free versions which you can try also. Like these ones now, they are hosted. Many of them, this one is hosted for free, absolutely free. No payment was made, and you can see it's very functional. You can log in from your phone. You can just search on this particular website on your mobile device or your laptop, and you can be able to access it. It is very functional, as you can see here. So let's move further. So how can this website be placed online? That's what it's called hosting. So what you have to do is to let another company post it online for you. So I'm going to show you all these processes as we go through this particular tutorial. So I want us to do something that is reliable. I don't want us to just touch base of coding and maybe at the end of the video of the training not being able to do anything. From my target that before the end of this 2 weeks training, or if you are watching this video as a pre-recorded video, as you should be able, at the end of this course, you should be able to design a fully functional website like this one here, with everything just like this one here, everything working perfectly. You can see the designs and everything. If you click on this button now, due to the WhatsApp, so you can chat with the person on that website. So a lot of things added here. can see the footer, responsive design, and you can see here, if you inspect it, both in mobile and desktop view, every view is very welcome. You can see here, even in desktop view, it is very responsive. In mobile view also, so you can see how responsive the site is. I'm going to show you how to be able to create a responsive site as this in this tutorial. So after watching this, getting this course, you'll be able to learn all you need to know in setting up a functional website like this, and also hosting them online, and having a neat and nice custom domain like this one here, and how to secure your site from hackers. Because one of the major things is not just designing a website. After designing a website, hackers can come into the website and just install malwares into your server, into your database or your core files, and your website will be down or will be redirecting to other websites. So all malicious content can be installed into your website. So I'm going to show you how to also secure your website to resist hackers from gaining access to your website to install malicious software. And also in this particular tutorial, we're going to learn all this and how you will be able to get clients online on Facebook, on FIFA, and other places where you can get clients that you can design website for, like this, like just this one, this particular person, that this website I designed for somebody, and this one also, these people have not made them before but was online and I designed for them online. So I'm going to show you the same process how I get my clients online. You can still put that process to use, and you can still be getting clients online also for your web design. I don't want to just teach you coding and for months or 3 months, even throughout a year, you'll not be able to earn money from what you are learning. So I want to bring out something that in a 2 weeks time, you should, after completing this course, you should be able to earn money from what you have learned so far. So this is what we are going to cover in the full training, the full course. So do well to be part of the complete course, how to design a complete website like this, host it online, make it available online, and start earning money by designing for clients and charging them. I'm going to touch a basic of programming on HTML, and you can see here, and CSS and CSS, basic CSS like this. So I'm going to see all those in this particular tutorial, but let me just let it slide for now. So get the full course, and you can follow through and start designing your own website from scratch. So I'm going to show you step-by-step process of how these things work. Thank you very much.